guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little bit of a spring haul for you guys. I have a couple of outfits that I want to show you and also a perfume that I wanted to share with you guys. If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Nora and I do all things plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be updated on whenever I post a new video. I typically upload once or twice a week. The first thing I want to show you is this perfume that I am absolutely loving. This company, their name is DOSSIER. They have a website named dossier.co where they have all of these beautiful fragrances, and basically they are all inspired by different brand name fragrances. So the one that I was sent out, and thank you to Dossier for sending this perfume out for me, the one that they sent me is inspired by Estee Lauder Beautiful. And you guys, I just love a very floral feminine perfume, and this is just, it smells amazing. I picked the Florientel Orange Blossom. It says, and they look like this, it comes in a nice little bottle. It's a decent sized bottle, and this one was $29, so this is a really good deal for the amount that you get. The top notes on this are violet, mimosa, ylang ylang. Middle notes are orange blossom, gardenia, tuberose, and the base notes are vanilla, sandalwood, and orris. This one is called Floriental Orange Blossom. And then this is all cruelty free, and they are made in France. They are vegan and cruelty free. They have all clean ingredients, and your order is risk free. And so yeah, I'm actually loving it. They send you a nice little box where your perfume is in. It comes in this little cute box. And it also says how it works. Any scent you order comes with a little sample that you can try and test before opening the 50 milliliter bottle. If you don't like it, you could just return the package with the 50 ml bottle and you will get a full refund. Returns are free, no questions asked. So I thought that was so cool. And yes, it did bring a little mini perfume as well. So I just thought that was super cool. It's different, and I love how their packaging is. Everything is well put together, very good quality that you get. You get a very nice, decent amount, and they have a huge variety of different perfumes. And they were nice enough to send a discount code for you guys. So it is dossier.co/discount/Nora10. I will go ahead and link that down below for you guys if you want to check them out. I highly suggest it if you're looking for a new spring fragrance. Floral is everything, like floral print, floral, floral prints, floral perfumes. I just love floral everything. And so I'm obsessed, and I think they have a very nice variety. They have perfumes for men and women. So they have cologne for men and perfumes for women. And they have a unisex also. So that's really cool. Their shipping was super fast. I got this within a couple of days. And yeah, definitely check them out. I'll link it down below for you guys. And yes, so I'm really excited to have a new perfume in my collection. So now what I have for you guys is a little bit of a spring plus size dress haul. Okay, so it's getting a little bit ridiculous. I have a lot of plus size dresses that are floral print. I don't know what my obsession is with floral prints. So these are from Shein. I'll link everything down below for you guys where you can find these pieces. So the first one I have, and I had done a little TikTok haul. So I'll link my TikTok down below. It's not, I don't have a huge following on there yet, but because I'm not like super in, like, I don't know a lot about TikTok, but I do like making little short videos on there. I thought it was a lot of fun. So this is the first dress. It's a floral print. It's like that baby doll style dress, and it has a bit of a ruffle down here. This one is not stretchy, but it's very roomy. This is a 4X, and it has a lot of room. Like, I feel like if you're a 5X, you could probably fit this dress as well. And it has a bit of a ruffle sleeve here. The sleeves are very wide also, and a bit of a mock button right here. It's a really pretty dress. So yeah, this is the first one, and of course floral print. I swear I'm gonna try other prints. It's springtime, and in spring and summer, I'm obsessed with florals. So I'll wear a lot of like solid prints during the holiday season, but during spring, I just love wearing floral dresses. Like I'm obsessed. Okay, so this next one is really pretty. This is one of my favorites. It is a Ruffle Bardot off the shoulder dress, and this is actually a navy blue, but it looks almost black, but it has a nice little floral print with pink, and this is super stretchy up here. It has a lot of elastic. It also has the same stretch in the sleeves. Also a 4X. This one is also very roomy. The fabric does not stretch, but it is roomy. For a 4X, I would say very true to size. This fits very comfortably right above my knees. And it also has elastic in the waist area. So it has elastic enough to stretch, but I'm saying the actual fabric is not stretchy, if that makes sense. But this is a gorgeous dress. I love it for spring. This is one of my new favorite dresses. So yes, and again, I'll link all of these down below for you. This next one is another favorite because it's just so pretty. I don't know if you notice a pattern, but I love off the shoulder Bardot style, which is called. Just off the shoulder dresses are just like everything for me. This is another off the shoulder. It has a lot of stretch up here. It has a lot of stretch in the sleeves. This is another floral print. I love this color. It's like a nice turquoise, I want to say, or a teal, and it has like pink florals and a nice little paisley print in there. It's super pretty. It has a ruffle at the bottom, ruffle hem. This one goes all the way up to my knees. It is a skater style dress, and I just think it's absolutely beautiful. This is one of my favorite new dresses. I'll probably say that about all these dresses because I just love them so much. But yeah, it's a new favorite. It's so pretty, and it's also a 4X. I like to size up with Shein. Usually one size is good. And these are polyester spandex blend. Actually, no, these are polyester. Let me see. These are just polyester. The ones that have polyester spandex, the fabric is stretchy. So I'll show you this one. I'm not going to be trying this one on today, but I will show you a picture on my Instagram at some point this week. I have to get a different bra for this. I need to get like a strapless bra. But this is like a halter style dress, leopard print. You see, I like other prints, but this is really cute. And it's super stretchy. It goes all the way up to past your knees, right above your knees. This is also a 4X, and I just thought this was super cute. This one is polyester spandex blend, so it has a lot more stretch to it. I love this dress, but I need the proper bra because I have thick band bras, so it's not going to look right. But I am going to try that on with a strapless in like an Instagram photo for you. So not the last one. The last one here is this Smocked Maxi dress. I'm not big on maxi dresses, but it was so pretty that I had to get it. It's super stretchy up here. It has that smocked material in the bust. This little bit of a ruffle sleeves, and it's long. It's lilac. I love the color, and I love this print. Goes all the way past my ankles. This dress fits really nice. It's actually very roomy. I feel like I could have sized down to a 3X and been all right. The 4X is roomy, so it's a little bigger than my liking, but yeah, there's definitely, look at all the stretch in here, y'all. Like, that's a lot of stretch. So it's a beautiful dress, so I just love it. But yeah, this one does run a little bit bigger. You can size down for this one, maybe, or just your regular size. I'm a 3X, so I should have just gotten a 3X and that one and been all right. So, and then I'm wearing this one, which is another off the shoulder. These are mini hearts. This is like the cutest little Valentine's Day dress, but I found it after Valentine's, so I'm like, why not? It's a little bit snug on the sleeve for me, but it's also like a little skater style dress. It's really cute. So I'll show you that one when I try these on for you. Let me know in the comments below which one you love the most, and I do have another haul coming next week for you guys. It's probably going to be a Torrid haul. That one's going to be a little bit smaller of a haul because Torrid is pricey. but I did pick up a few pieces. I'm just waiting on the order to get delivered. So let me go ahead and try these on for you. I will link every piece down below for you. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, let's go ahead and try them on.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy,